Hi students, welcome. How are you all? I hope you all are safe. Okay. So this is a ICSE question solved paper in 2018. Okay. So section B, ninth question. So in the ninth question you have three subdivisions A, B and C. So this is a third subdivision. So the question is from the mensuration lesson. Okay. So you all are studying Agarwal, ML Agarwal book, RS Agarwal book, concise book, okay. So for that I am just taking the previous year question paper to understand, okay. So I hope you all understand, okay. So see question, the following represents a solid consists of a right circular cylinder. So you have a cylinder and with the hemisphere, so this is a hemisphere and what one end and a cone, okay. So the another side is cone is there, okay. So their common radius is 7. So this radius is 7. So what is the radius? This is also 7, okay. So both are 7. But we need this height, this is also 7 centimeter. So we need the height of the cylinder, so that is also given 4. And height of the cone, that is also 4. So their common radius is 4 and the height of the cylinder and cone are of each 4. So both have the height of 4 centimeter and find the volume of the solid, okay. So very simple sum. So this sum consists have 4 marks, okay. So they have given 4 marks for this sum, okay. So you have 3 solids. What are the solids? One is hemisphere. So the volume of the hemisphere is, what is that? 2 by 3 by r cube, okay. So this is a volume, okay. And next figure is, so the solid is cylinder. So this is a cylinder. So what is the volume? See, this is 1, take it as volume 2. So this volume is, cylinder of the volume is pi r square h. And the third one is cone. So you have this cone. So the height and the radius we have to understand. The volume is, that is 1 by 3 by r square h. So okay, so we have 3 solids. Okay, so to find this volume we need r only. We have only r only. Okay, so we need r. So what is this r? That is 7. So this is 7 and 7. So radius is 7. So you can find the volume of the hemisphere. Okay, that's all. So this is okay. And cylinder. So we need r and h. So what is the height? So this is the height. So this is 4. And radius, that is 7. So both are given. Okay, this is also okay. And what is the cone? What about the cone? So you need r and h. So this height is, it is given as 4, the height is, and radius is 7. So both 3 solid figures have the radius 7. Okay ma. So what is the formula? We have found the formula. So we need total volume. So the total volume is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. Okay. Shall we write? Yes. So the first volume is, this is the first volume, 2 by 3 by r cube. The second volume is by r square h. And third volume is 1 by 3 by r square h. Okay, so you have 3 formula. Okay, so now first equalize that denominator, because this denominator is 1. Okay, so to equalize this denominator we have to multiply by 3 and then 3. Okay, so what do we get now? So this is 2 by r cube by 3 and this is 3 by r square h by 3 and this is by r square h by 3. So we equalize the denominator. Okay students. Now you can take the 3 outside. So what are the parameters we can take outside? So this 3 can be taken. Okay, and what is to be taken? What can be taken? This by pi and pi. Okay, so we take pi. And what about r? So h, only 2 terms have the h. So you cannot take the h outside. So r. So what is the smallest square of r, so that is r square. So we can take the r square outside. Okay, so we have 1 by 3 pi r square as common. So what is inside? So this is 2 and r. So this is 3, r square came outside, so h plus. So pi is come, r square is come, 3 is come, so this is only h. Okay students, so this is 1 by 3, 2 by 7, r square, so that is r, 7 into 7. Okay, so this is 2 into r plus 3 into 4 plus 4. Okay, so you can add for h, but there is no need. You can just straightly, directly you can apply the values for the variables. Okay, so now we can cancel 7 7. So what do we get? 22 into 7, so that is 154 by 3. So this is 14 plus 7 plus 4. So what do we get when you add? This is 21, 25 is, this is 11 is 25. Sorry kids, this is 4 3s are 12, so this is 12. So and 26 30, so we have 30. So we just cancel, this is 10, so we get 1540 centimeter cube as the total volume. Okay, so our total volume, so our final answer is 1540 centimeter cube. Okay, so that's all. So this question is came in the question paper 2018. Okay, so very simple, such a simple question, but you have to practice, you have to memorize all the formula. Okay, so say hemisphere, cylinder and cone. So when you have formula thoroughly, you can do the sum simply and you will get whole marks. The whole marks is for 4. Okay, I hope you all understand. So please, after seeing the video, just do the problem. Okay, thank you.